Ugra two-wheel tractor. A simple upgrade for easier gardening. Looking to make gardening more efficient? It's easier than you think. Just upgrade your two-wheel tractor. This clever project from Russia demonstrates how a basic Ugra two-wheel tractor, combined with an AMPK 500 rear-wheel drive adapter, can handle a variety of tasks, including digging up potatoes. The key feature of this setup is the tractor's two PTO, power takeoff, shafts, one of which is specifically designed to work with such adapters. This versatility allows the machine to quickly transform into a plow, tiller, digger, or other agricultural tool with the right attachments. While some users have questioned its effectiveness in dense or compacted soil, the system has proven to be practical and adaptable in most situations. With a simple modification and the correct add-ons, this two-wheeled tractor can significantly reduce manual labor and improve productivity for home gardeners and small-scale farmers alike. Mini food processor. A handy kitchen hack. Not having advanced kitchen appliances doesn't have to be a problem, especially when you can build a simple mini food processor at home. Thanks to countless video tutorials online, crafting your own device is easier than ever. This particular homemade processor was assembled using just a bottle cap, a small electric motor, and a battery. The creator used basic tools like a drill and a hot glue gun to put it all together. The clever design allows the motor to be mounted directly to the lid of a glass jar, turning it into a compact and functional blender. While it may not match the power of commercial processors, it's more than capable of handling simple tasks like pureeing soft fruits. Ideal for light kitchen prep, this DIY solution is cost-effective, easy to build, and surprisingly efficient for its size. It's a great example of how creativity and resourcefulness can go a long way in the kitchen. Mini tractor. A compact homemade skidder for logging tasks. Last but not least is this impressive mini tractor, specifically a skidder, machinery commonly used for logging operations like pulling and transporting logs. While the video offers only a brief description, it reveals that the machine was built using miscellaneous scrap materials. Despite its humble construction, the homemade skidder performs its intended tasks effectively. One of its key advantages is its compact size, which makes it highly maneuverable and easy to store, especially in tight or limited spaces. Interestingly, the creator behind this innovative build is a true jack of all trades. According to his personal website, he holds 5 patents and is involved in a broad range of engineering projects, from heating boilers to industrial tools. This mini tractor not only demonstrates resourcefulness and creativity but also highlights how functional and efficient homemade machinery can be in real-world applications. Tracked vehicle. A DIY mini tank from the USA. As we continue our journey, we arrive in the United States, a country known for its culture of hands-on innovation and DIY enthusiasm. Americans often take on fascinating projects in their spare time, and one standout example is a 12-year-old from Tennessee who built a functioning nuclear reactor at home, earning a spot in the Guinness World Records. Equally captivating is a unique tracked vehicle that resembles a miniature tank, built by a skilled hobbyist who documents his progress on his YouTube channel. This homemade tracked vehicle is designed for off-road travel and showcases impressive engineering and craftsmanship. Its rugged build and tank-like appearance make it both eye-catching and practical for outdoor adventures. Viewers have responded enthusiastically, with one even suggesting, "You should start a tracked ATV factory once you perfect the design." This project perfectly reflects the spirit of American ingenuity and the fun of turning creative ideas into reality. VOMobile. Hungary's stylish, eco-friendly three-wheeler. Hungary experienced a surge in bicycle interest during the pandemic, with spring bike sales rising by as much as 35%. On average, the country sells up to 300,000 bicycles annually, making it clear that innovative cycling solutions are in high demand. One standout project is a VOMobile developed by a Hungarian design expert. This three-wheeled, pedal-assisted bicycle features a sleek, compact design and is powered by a 1 kilowatt geared motor paired with a 15Ah battery. Riders also have the option to pedal manually, making it both efficient and versatile. Remarkably, the creator worked entirely on his own, spending 2 months just to gather all the necessary parts and materials. Despite the challenges, the result is an eye-catching, quiet, and eco-friendly mode of transportation. The project has sparked international interest, with curious viewers from Sweden to Brazil asking about pricing and availability. It's a promising concept for urban commuting and sustainable mobility. Wooden lift. An easy way to move heavy materials. If you think lifting heavy building materials requires expensive equipment, think again. This homemade lift, built almost entirely out of wood, is a simple yet effective solution for raising tools, shingles, and other materials, up to 500 pounds, to a rooftop. While it may not look high-tech, it's surprisingly sturdy and functional. Perfect for small construction jobs or home improvement projects, the lift is designed to be practical, affordable, and easy to build with basic tools. It's a great example of using creativity and everyday materials to solve real-world problems. With some planning and a bit of DIY spirit, almost anyone can put together a lift like this to make their work faster, safer, and more efficient. GL Knucklehead Rooftop Support System. Reliable support for every rooftop need. Founded in 2016, Greenlink Engineering may be relatively new, but it has quickly built a strong reputation and earned a loyal customer base. One standout project involved Duncan Aviation, the world's largest private business jet service provider, who selected Greenlink Engineering to replace rooftop supports for 121 meters of gas piping on one of their facilities. Handling major projects like this is well within Greenlink's expertise, thanks to their versatile range of rooftop support systems. The GL Knucklehead system is designed to easily accommodate both lightweight and heavy-duty pipes with outer diameters of up to 8 centimeters. In addition, it can support HVAC systems, solar panels, and other rooftop equipment with ease. An added benefit of the system is its adaptability to regional weather challenges. In areas prone to heavy snowfall, the supports can be extended up to an additional 45 centimeters in height. With Greenlink Engineering's innovative solutions, rooftop installations are made safer, stronger. Hungaropter. Hungary's innovative home-built helicopter. The Hungaropter stands out for 3 key reasons. First, it is the very first helicopter to be fully designed and manufactured in Hungary. Second, it's offered as a self-assembly kit, making it unique among personal aircraft. Third, its operating costs are about 25% lower than comparable helicopters. The aircraft features several innovative design elements, including an electric rescue system, an automatic anti-tip mechanism, and a movable fuel tank. With a rotor diameter of roughly 23 feet, it comes in versions powered by either 125 or 160 horsepower engines. Recent models now include a closed cockpit and accommodate 2 passengers. The helicopter has a range of approximately 280 miles or about 2.5 hours of flight time. Versatile in function, the Hungaropter can be used for everything from recreational flying to emergency medical services, making it a practical and economical choice in the world of light aviation.